This is question number 1 of exercise 9C. Here in this question it is saying what amount of money should Mohan invest in a bank in order to get rupees 1323 in 2 years at 5% rate compounded annually. You have to find out the amount of money, that what amount of money he will invest. Means here you have to find out the principal in order to get this much amount in 2 years at 5% rate compounded annually. So here you have to find out the principal and amount. It is given to you as 1323 rupees. Time it is given to you as 2 years and rate it is given to you as 5%. Okay, you know the formula for amount. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. So your amount is 1323. Principal you have to find out. This is 1 plus r upon, it is 5 upon 100 to the power 2. This is 5 ones are 5 twos are. From here you will get 1 3 2 3 into p. Here you will get 20 plus 1 upon 20 to the power 2. From here you will get 1323 is equal to p 21 upon 20 whole power 2. Again 1323 is equal to p. You can split it as 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. Again 1323 equal to, when you will multiply this two you will get 1025, means 1.025. Okay, and from here you will get principal is equal to 1323 divided by 1.025. On solving this you will get the principal as here as 1200 rupees. So what amount of money means what the principal he will interest? He will interest 12,000 rupees. So he will get the amount of 1323 rupees in 2 years at 5% rate. This is question number 2. In this question it is saying find the sum which amounts to rupees 1352 in 2 years at 4% rate compound interest. Here you are given, again you have to find out the sum. Sum means principal you have to find out what is given to which amounts to rupees. Amount it is given to you as 1352 rupees. Time it is given to you as 2 years and rate it is given to you as 4%. Again you have to write down the formula for amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. Amount is given to you as 1352 equal to principal you have to find out plus 1 plus r is 4 upon 100 to the power n is 2. From here you will get 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Okay. From 4 also you can get cancel it. 1352 equal to p into, this will be 25 plus 1 to the power 2 upon 25. Again here it will be 1352 equal to principal, again it will be 26 upon 25 to the power 2. You will get 1352 equal to principal. Can write down, expand this, you will get 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. On solving this two you will get 1.0816 into p 1352. From here p you will get 1352 upon 1.0816. On solving this you will get 1000. From here on solving this you will get 1250 rupees. we'll get 1250 rupees as the principal here. This is question number 5. On what sum of money will the difference between the SI and the compound interest for 2 years at 5% per annum be equal to this much rupees? Means you have to find out the sum of money will be the difference in the simple interest and compound interest. What sum of money will be the difference in the compound interest and the simple interest for 2 years at 5% rate per annum, which is equal to rupees 50. So here let P be the sum of money. And what is given to you? Difference between SI and CI is how much? 2 years. Difference between simple interest and compound interest is how much? 2 years. So you can write down P into R by 100 to the power n. Okay. Here you can equate it by 50 because it will be equal to this much rupees. So this will be equal to P into R by 100 to the power n. So from here you will get 50 into P you have to find out. Now it is given to you as 5%. 5 upon 100 to the power 2. This is 5 ones are 5 twos are. So this will be 50 into P. This is like this. Okay. So P into, if you multiply 1 into 1, this will be 1. 20 into 20 will be how much? 400. This will be equal to. Okay. So 50 equal to P into 5 by 100. 1 into 1 is 1. 20 into 20 is 400. Cross multiply, you will get 50 into 400 equal to P. 5 fours are 20 and this 3 0. That is the value of P here. So the sum of money is how much? 20,000. So what is the sum of money? That is 20,000, which will make in the difference of simple interest and compound interest for 2 years 5% rate and per annum to be equal to rupees how much? 50. So what is the sum of money? The sum of money is rupees 20,000. This is the answer. This is question number 7. Here it is saying rupees 8,000 become rupees 9,261 in a certain interval. Okay. Of time at the rate of 5% per annum compound interest. Find the time. You have to find out this rupees 8,000 becomes how much? 9,261 at a particular interval of time. That time you have to find out. When rate of interest is given to you 5% per annum, you have to find out the compound interest and in the time. So let's take, let the time be equal to how much? And you know amount is equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Okay. What is given to you? Amount is given and principal is given to you. Amount is given to you as how much? 9,261 and principal is given to you as 8,000 rupees. Rate is given to you as 5% here. Now substitute the value. Amount is 9,261. Principal is 8,000. 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power and you have to find out. Now this will be 9,261. This is 8,000. You will get 5 ones are 5 twos are. This will be 21 upon 20 to the power n. Again 9,261. This 8,000 will come down. This will be this. Now this is 21 upon 20 to the power n. When you will, this is the cube of 21 and this is the cube of 20. So I can write down this as 21 upon 20 whole cube. This will be equal to 21 upon 20 to the power n. In exponent and power you have studied, if the bases are same, we can equate the powers. So from here, n is equal to how much? 3 years. So time, what is that particular interval of time that this 8,000 rupees will become 9,261? That is how much? 3 years. Now what you have to find out? Compound interest. Compound interest is, that is amount minus principal. What is the amount here? 9261 minus 8,000 rupees. The principal. From here you will get 1621. This much rupees is the compound interest. So the time here is 3 years. Time taken for this is 3 years, and the compound interest is 1,261